in the dirt. Say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, change to berserk, don't get on.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Herman. Today I'm going to be removing the Plasti Dip. My car, as you can see, it's already coming off. It's been on for about 2 years now, so I think it held pretty well. But yeah, we're going to be removing it today. If I'm going to try to peel it off completely. If not, we're going to be using some of this Goo Gone. This so far has been like the best thing to remove Plasti Dip so far. So we're gonna try it out. Like I said, we're gonna try to peel it. I think most of us are gonna be able to peel it off. This is the first time that I put it on, and I think it actually, like I said, held pretty well for 2 years. But I'm gonna be doing it again, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. So that's the most I can take off right now, just by peeling it. I'm gonna be using the Goo Gone for the rest of the wheel. So I'm gonna be using the Goo Gone. You just spray it on, let it sit there for a little bit, and then you power wash it, and everything comes out right away. It kind of melts the Plasti Dip. I mean, like I said, for 2 years, it held up pretty well. The reason why I did it was because when I bought this car, I bought it almost brand new, and it had these scuff marks here already since I bought it, and I didn't want to fix them at that time, so I thought a cheaper solution, faster, was to do Plasti Dip. Smells really good too. Somebody told me you could actually just peel it off like this. As you can see right there, it's already starting to come off, and I haven't even done anything to it. You can see right there and right there. Like I said, and I haven't even touched it. I want to try something first. I want to try one of these fire towels. It's very slippery. I think with the power washer it's gonna be way faster.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. They're not developed, get none of their nose, none of them cold. They just got lucky, but never adapt.
Look at the difference and how quick that was. I'm still obviously gonna hit these spots right now, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick of how fast and easy that was to remove the Plasti Dip. You just spray on that Goo Gone, let it sit there for about a minute, and then you just spray it off, and everything comes off. I mean, everything. Look, but why work hard, right? Just do it with the spray gun, and everything should be done quick. Let's try it again.
So I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close. I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke. I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
What I like to do now is just add a little bit more of it and just let it sit there for a little while just to finish off the rest. and hit those stubborn parts, the ones that didn't want to come off. Just hit those again one more time. Just let it sit there for a little bit and then we're gonna hit it again.
Now they ain't go harder than me. They need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank in a jeep, a navy at sea with ace a marine, an ace up they sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done.
So there you have it, guys. How easy that is. All these are scuff marks. This top part of this are scuff marks from the rim. Like I said, the whole reason why I wanted to do the Plasti Dip was just to cover all those imperfections. Instead of me fixing the rim, all I wanted to do was cover it. But I might be fixing the rim later on. As of now, I'm going to be covering it again because these are deep scratches. But yeah, using the Goo Gone and pressure washer, it's the fastest, quickest way to get rid of Plasti Dip. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm gonna be adding the Plasti Dip on them. I'm showing you guys how I do it.
And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning, feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got away, we been